Ragas. Thank you, Ragas. Thank you, brother. So, Ragas, you see every time you come up in a you look a blood clot button front shirt them with your chest and egg out, you look a 90s Batman swag where your blood clot have. Let me tell you this, so good boy. You see what you up on blood clot media, I call on a look of Rosealee them bro. Them you thinking people where nobody no know about. Them you bumbo clot waste ya. Who no major no blood clot liar with me. Cause as me tell you, you know so good gear gas. You time when you always get up and account dep on my name or other blood class sodomite or Batman name. You need to go talk about your Batman life or you have so good man. Big pussy man. You need to come talk about the little man where you used to run up and down back when he am blood clot nature boy. We are for pitney. We are for you woman them in front of pitney. We make pitney and grab your hood. You need to come talk about your little cesspool life. You need to come talk about people where you did a come try if you come get cult church. Remember you did a look go fund me for blood clot fun. You look a cult. So pitney can go hold up and for your hood too. And say you can fuck woman in front of pitney. And say you can do all I nastiness them. Because you look a career broke and you know no blood clot money. One big waste man of a drunker you be. You suck too much cocky boy. The time when you want them to come blood clot dip me. Why you not ask about yourself? Why you not ask about yourself, Gigas? You think too you fuck this a big heavy man you in a foreign that can save you? Remember me a lesbian, you a Batman, alright. You think say you just good because you a Batman? Me no good just because me a lesbian. Bro, no Batman have no more rights than lesbian. You want to fish? So you think that you are Batman, you have more rights than me. So could Gigas, let me tell you this. From the 90s, the man them in a dance hall now use you, nobody in a dance hall don't rate you. Big old, big pussy, so good girl. Don't call up my name in your stinking mouth. Me a boy, not threaten people. Me beat you like a dog and tell you no, no pussy big and stink. I don't know who will want dig out. Dirty, so good boy. Yes, boy. Freedom of speech, we tell you if you say you're so good. You hear that, Gigas? You suck too much cock. You understand me? Be your hood in your mouth. Your mouth smell like penis. And your body will, if you let out shit, I take you in blood clot hood. You fucking 90s fish, yo. Button up your blood clot shirt, them. Your blood clot dirty Angela, bitch, yo. Come off of me bumbo clot name, so good, boy. You're big and stink and dirty and cranny and nasty like. Go and go dip your blood clot hood in some holy water. Too much body you fuck, so good boy. Every blood clot in your one dip, and you not dip your mouth in a little Listerine. Go suck out your mama and go from here so. And go find a blood clot precipice and jump off of it. You waste body man you. You and Derek now make 1, 2 on a gully fish. Bumbo clot waste you. Oh God. Anyway, thank you for your like, your love, and the blessings and all of my super tankers again, you know, man. Fam, gone. Vegas look for me, bro. Man look like a rapper youth. Everything need my father. You know why me that for custom me put one bomb clot? Cause when shots fired, you know. Remember the K this. Me have the K, cause me no play. You understand me? Remember me a certified stepper. You hear that? You dirty body man, yo. You swamp fish bitch, yo. Okay. Boy, you call immigration liar. The whole of you look clout off Ivan in him. Go suck your mother and go from here, so big pussy boy. I hate this stink old bitch, you see. All for your pitney them all sorry say you then daddy with your faggot self. Don't call me name in your suck good mouth, body boy. Okay.
When Ivan come out, you go crucify the whole of one, you know. I say, I don't want to on the net that day then. I want busy. If you don't pay the bond, all the girl are going to get the trial. See whether she get sentenced or deep. Pay the bond. This coming like a remand, the internet a remand, Ivan. Miss Bling Bling. RT boss. What happened? All cheese just abandoned Ivan because cheese don't want too much in the argument because cheese have a case. Oh, my big wall squeeze me. Oh God, cheese have a case. So Ivan, I played the party label earlier on my own. It's told everybody had. Why? I tell you, say when you touch the cross, you alone. You alone. Nurse Brown in our corner. Alright, Nurse Brown. Because nobody now pay the bond. Pay the bond so the girl can get the trial. So Ice can come pick up the girl. We're not gonna make Ice stay there and melt. Pay the bond. With the first bond money that she so remember the first bond money. Alright, it was revoked. Alright now. So pay the bond so Ice can come pick her up now. Pay the bond here. Put in the paperwork. Lord, Ivan, you go stay in there and be a career. Ivan is a gunman. Because only gunman them do so. She never remanded Jamaica, she gonna find and get remanded. Oh my God. Ivan, you saw it go. You pay for learning, you learn and then you pay after. But you know it's so funny? All of these vloggers who Ivan used to rap with on the internet, I don't hear them speak one good word or one bad word about her. Everybody gone in a silence. Now it caused me to question, is it that they are happy on the inside, or is it that she was meaningless to them? You understand what I'm saying? Because these are folks on the internet that she raps with, and they give one and two of them give them 2 cents, and that's it, Jody B. You hear nothing more. So I'm saying to myself, these persons are so in love. These persons are so in love with my speech. You understand me? But yet they're hiding it by keeping their mouth closed. There is no form of contribution. I wonder why. They don't trust RT Boss and Miss Blinger. So we understand that. But none of them probe. None of them probe proper information that the internet could use. You understand? They did not. Everyone goes in silence. Everyone is in silence. No one to say a word. And these are their match partners. So I can't understand. These match partners, they are very shaky. You understand? I not say a word, I not touch it, I not this. You guys are so happy. Extremely happy. Where are the rankers? You see, people won't use sleep and mark death. You see why me no mix with them your germs up on the internet? You see why me no mix with them? Me can't know say you not call to me out a road. You want to sit down on the net and play a match with me. Go suck your mother. You mad? Then me could have really shaking and my bad girl is him so. Talk truth. You not call to me out a road but you say come on a match. Go suck your mama. You not get no taps nor rose off at my expense. You murder. You murder. If anybody come on the internet believing that the internet is a safe zone, the internet has no friends. The internet has no love. You understand me? So don't you ever come on the internet with a soft skin. You can't come with a soft skin. Now you have to come with a cow skin. Cow skin I do it. A crocodile. I could never sit and talk to most of these people on the internet. I'll be buddy with them. You murder? You murder? No. You're mad. I have to stay by myself. Because when me attack, me not have no form of guilt. I feel like me be perfidious to anybody. You understand me? Me not have no friend on the internet. None of these rankers, bloggers, TikTokers, they are not my friends. They are not. Me and them are not friends from Adam, much less Eve. And worse, them never know Steve. Yeah, none of them, you're mad. You see too much demon I walk on the internet. You must be mad. Me and your friend this month, next month, me and your enemy. Then me, you pay me for cuss you. What kind of devil worshiping something that? You pay me for cuss you, drag you down, tear you down, and all me a cuss you. It becomes an audience where I get some cheerleaders and you get some cheerleaders. I don't want that. I don't want that on my resume. The devil get idlers work to do, and a lot of idlers on the app. A lot of idlers on the app. You must be mad. Good afternoon! Walk out with your friend. My Rosealee. Yeah. Me no want a friend. Me no want no friend pan the app. No friend. No friend. You mad? You think I like them, not like me? Just to set the record straight. You think I like them, not like me? I am easy to love. I am easy to love. Me put people to shame who hate me. I'm easy to love, and I like them, not like me. I stay far from them. Me no mix. Everybody I try make $1 off of them friend case. Me no want a friend like them, yeah. I graduate from friend like them since K and Mudfish them. I don't want them here. When I come on the net, nobody not exactly winning. Nobody not supposed to say Shibby my friend. And I know say you're rank, I go suck your mother. Yeah. Go nyam out your mother. Me ain't a friend. Them cause him not take nobody upon him live. Me not have to take nobody in my box. Me not have to take nobody in my box. Me take people in my box if me a beg. Yeah. And since me not beg, me not have to take nobody in my box. And my box, them I want them expire. Me not have to take nobody in my box. Me don't know what to do. Me don't take people in the box.
No man.
I don't have nothing to talk about. I'm not going to sit on the net with nobody and chat mix up. I rather talk mix up by myself. Me and you not sit down and tear down nobody. Me alone do it. Me alone do it. Me and you not sit down and chat nobody for my program. Now come in my box. Nope, I'm not going to do it. Not. So don't send me a lion for coming in my box. I'm good. Because I don't even know if I do the box then. Exactly this sweet. Yeah. Me no want no friend them watch me. You know, say a little bit of people in my baby girl. Little is much when God is in it. Me alright with all listen to me. Because guess what? At 20 worthwhile people this and 20 worthless people. At 20 ambitious people this I watch my family live. Yeah. So me no need no friend. Me stay by myself. You don't have to like me. Cause me never born for you like me. Me never drop out of my mother big hole for you applaud me. You don't have to applaud me. Me just want to know say my soul right and Jesus I make me smile. Me and God I walk. Me and God I walk. I don't need no friend. Me and God Almighty I walk. I don't need no friend. I want nobody sorry for me. Yeah, because I got cranberry right here. I don't want nobody sorry for me. I one thing with RT boss him tell the truth. Him say Shabada don't need nobody for fight for him war. Him alone stand up in him war. Me and Jesus stand up and fight to know. Fight to know. What them, yeah. Me and Jesus. I don't need no friend. I don't need no girl on the net for qualify me and a boy. For qualify me more than when God say put on your clothes more and carry you out. I say true. Alright, I'm going to jump and put on something. I'm going to go to enjoy myself. I'm going to come in. I don't want a friend. I don't want a friend. I don't want no common people talk to me. I don't want no common people talk. I want some people with certificate and position. Hold up your head and cock up your bottom. Yeah? I want some people in a class. Yeah, man, I don't want nobody. That's why I don't pay one of mine. You notice I don't pay the internet, man? This sweet. You notice I don't pay the internet, no man, and with them I say, Because all of who attack me not even want them look for me. So I don't know why them are waste them vision. I want people have worth. I want people with reasoning ability. I want people with love and gratitude. That one yeah. One. Nobody don't like you. Who for eat me. And I don't want who for eat me like me. Who for eat me. Because a conflict of interest when who for eat you like you.
Yeah.
A conflict of interest. Now ask you. Conflict of interest, then breach the contract. Yeah man. Cause when who for eat you love you, it broke you.
The pattern on them.
Now ask you.
With some line around cross.
So me not still gonna wait for people for qualify. Where? Me eat the boy, congratulations. Congratulations. You know how long more you eat me? You know how long more you eat me? Oh. When you eat me, I save breath and vision. Because I don't have to look for you for call to you. Breath and vision. I don't have to look at you to call to you. So you can't see me and say you don't see me. I don't see a girl because I don't know you. When I look for who I don't know. Can't look for who I don't know. Lord, what a way I get neck and shoulder then who full this a poison? Money is.
No man Shibby.
Then I hold a buckle full up to the brim so I poison this man.
Yo, what? Poison yo.
Me don't like the setup.
Yeah.
I full up this so normally the bartender take the neck and give you the shoulder. People as me I tell you no. Me don't want a TikToker like me never come on the app for nobody like me. It's when everybody come for look friend views like following and so. When the people have say cancellation, me glad cause I wasn't going anywhere. It's a pandemic. It's a pandemic. You know the pandemic, them say cancel. A pandemic, I just sit down so. I'm not going away. Cancel away because I don't like waste people time. I don't like to waste people time. It's things that you don't look on and call it luxury. I don't call it nothing. I can't look on things like that's why I don't have a friend on the app.
I want me to call me same lucky.
I don't want no friend on the app. You know, say I'll cheese the blase after I up on my live. Cheese. All me a class cheese and I tell her about her son Tun. She up on my live like cheese can't get the best of me. The devil really steal them pride and them joy, you know. Cause they me a drunk and have no shame and no feather. Yeah. It's true, Jody B, it's true. And look how now black till in a week and them say cancel. And only have to black people. When God bless you, God bless you. When God bless you, God bless you. Me not thief and call it blessing. Me sit down and wait for my God to give me my blessing that He promised me. And He not slack concerning His promises. So if He promised me and I will misbehave, He's going to bless me because He promised me. That's my God. Yeah? So when them say cancel, when the enemy say no, Jesus say yes, me always tell you this, God will raise up a generation for Keith, Shabada, Ramsey. God will, my God will. So when the whole land is still going to have fret about tomorrow, me not have to fret about tomorrow. Oh, you know, see the whole land have to prove myself on the internet while me still going to watch the show. I watch the reality show. I see who want be Cynthia from who want be Marlo from who want be Nene Leaks. I sit down and watch the show. Exactly this sweet. That's why they be eating me on the app. Because I can come on the app and I can tell any girl or boy how me really view them situation. And them can't run up on me. No girl, no boy can't run up on me because I saw me view it. You put it on the app and I view it. So click, clack. Yeah. You can't say, oh God, look how me and my friend, look how me send him one lion. Me never beg you. God believe me never beg you the lion. Before God and all mankind, I pledge love and lion or something another. I'm not fully Jamaican, so I don't know the whole of it. I never beg you the lion. And you take it in your head, so me depend the app and see gifts. No, if the app, it gifts on the app, and you feel, forgive me one, thank you so very much. That's why I don't come up here come beg. Cause I don't see nobody I don't know. If cocky did depend on the app when me done beg on a old. Any old them did make a gift out of cocky. China no want make money. Any our gift didn't make out of old then beg on that. And I said beg on a dick. Beg on a cock. Beg on a body. Yeah. For true. I like it, Lady Marianne. Lady Marianne, dash for that. I do one class. My neighbor class, me at the mobile. No, for true people. That's why I not care. That's why people still gonna step on the internet say, this boy don't care. You post your stuff, I'ma tell you how me see it. Why you want to judge me for my opinion after you post your things? Why you post your things? Me not come in on the bedroom. Me not peep through from the window. If you put up on, I mean not trouble. You trouble me. You trouble me. I'm a part of the public. You trouble. If you put up that, you trouble me. You just see me post my flyer. If you tell me say Shibby, I like your face on the flyer. Me can say Lord Jesus. It hurt me now, but next time I go fix it up. Message received, but it hot. Me not for make you know. No, that's not full. Lady Marianne, taste bad to me, say. YouTube days are some mistake. I bring my own people in my life. Me not friend people. So I no girl and no boy can't chat me. You mad? You mad? Them have to beg me to be them friend. I saw me stay.
Last month, how people around here.
When I see people are cuss online and I cuss. I mean, I depend them sometimes cheesy blase. I call my phone. If me and I cuss online and she turn it in a match. What's up? Hey. No come on the pan down for me so cheese. No do them something there. Now draw me in your carelessness. You attack me. I'ma beat out your nastiness. You attack me first, I'ma beat out your nastiness. I know you want to cry. I'm not ready for eat for you and Rosealee yet till me content.
Yeah.
I'm not easy for Rosealee till she move the block them and put on her house and buy a bed foot and a bed base. I know the board in the middle broke because a mattress pan board and black. The lady I be like own a casket. Rosealee I be like own a casket for true.
If me not for time, check it tomorrow.
God no. That is a casket move. Casket move that. Shibby, I never see it in a brand yet. In a 2024. In a 2024, Rosealee never realized that Prettiidon the Cosmo brand and take out a pan of dirty clothes. You never realized that?
Yeah, me sure too.
She Cosmo brand and take out a bad pan of dirty clothes and you come Cosmo brand. Number one, nobody can tell you say them see my shame. I'm well covered. If I buy material, I buy the blood. Yes, so I don't know. In a 2024, Rosealee, you don't know how for class me. You don't know how for class a boy or a girl like me. You don't know. And that beat you and cheese. You don't know how to class me. Every time you got him about my bottom, which is a gift. Yeah, it's a gift. Class me differently. Class me. Rosealee, I say I have a cake, them put things there. I want to give you some things, man. I want to give you some things. I say I want to call the fire truck. I want to lend your house this. I want to call the fire truck. Call the fire truck. I want to give you living conditions, some fragrance. Yeah man, I want to give you living conditions. Some free. I want to go in a Rosealee house and my gas mask and said so. Like me a gas side it. You know like yeah gas and outside they just said so. Yeah gas side it with fragrance. Yeah. And that I want to do. Can't make girl like me have nothing over here, Rosealee. Can't make girl like me have nothing over here. You mad? Can't make girl like me have things over you. You're mad. That no right.
Are they come mankind already?
Yeah. That not fear before God and all mankind.
Oh, yeah, I come here. But you run drop me off, please.
You must be mad. You have cost about brand, me have cost about fragrance.
Don't say bingo one time.
Where you gonna use and wash the brand? Where the brand I go washing on? That's where I ask. Where the brand I go washing on? Rosealee, you ever wear brand yet? Just asking. A pure tailor made you in a pure tailor made. Pure tailor, a tailor make you wrap them like you come from Dubai. When somebody she couldn't talk about assets, she can't talk about window. Shanti will wash it. She can talk about window first. In her house want some light, it wants some glow, it need a halo. It need a halo. Rosealee live like she still a use lamp. I wonder if light gone which part she there. I saw she live like she still a use lamp. You know lamp and lantern? Yeah, the house need repentance. For true. The house sinful man. But don't show them how in your house stay like the garbage. And no girl, no boy pan this can say a lie me I tell. Them only can say stop text it pan the girl. But the truth me I tell, the girl up on the net every day in her house one clean. Make the app keep your company while you sweep. Every hour light gone cause I bridge, the breeze I blow along the wire, they want to change that. The wire not stiff enough. Don't pick out the plug. For true, Rosealee, you enter here argue with me with the living condition. And this is where I step up the argument. Yeah, argue about body. I'm a old still I make cocky stiff all when it's dead. My old still I make cocky stand up. Yeah, argue with me about that. Them something them nice little cute need something there for argue with me about. Yeah. Let's show we clean house and brightness and beat we. Beat out with nothing, shame we. Yeah, shame our. Shabada this and Shabada. Everything what you said though man, she had a girl who spread wacky news and file story. Cost me. Yeah, cost me. Cost me and say Shabada not now go and feel me send him a flyer. Cost me now. You now cost me. You're crying like. You see your uncle? Any one of us could be facing these things. And this all started from. You see your foot them where I carry the buffet? But when she married that, we all know. That Facebook bone cracker. Let them over the whole of your bottom part. Me say you chuck up your saw. Like you eat upside down. Or up here so big and not choke you. You see your foot them, Rosealee? No man, Rosealee, come like an upside down your walk. Your foot them slim like Ann. Your foot them slim like Ann. I wouldn't tell you a lie. You don't have no uncle. That's why you feel young in your bed after you come off of the road. Once you got a shot, go buy your cigarette. Once you get up and go, you know your uncle cannot manage your back them. She can't show healthy living, you mad? She have to go start from them something here for. Them stilt here. Rosealee shaped like a buffet. One buffet. Ask your granny when you buffet. Rosealee shaped like the host them with their guy now. And you really want to sit and qualify. Rosealee, remember you tell me say me your idol. Remember you tell me say me your idol, Rosealee. And you tell me say me your idol right after the pandemic. So you're not supposed to cuss me and say nothing now go on for me. Cause me still your idol. All when you're not here, me name ring up a Jamaica, me is your idol. Me living in your fat. Cause me can't say art. Me living in your fat. Remember you tell me say me your idol. Ask everybody. Remember me never say so. Me never come to you and say, Rosealee, you're mad. You'd have to go jog first. You'd have to go take off some of the back then. You're mad. And you come, Shibby, my idol, I love him, I say. Me never tell you that yet. Never tell you that yet. I remember saying I'm the teacher, you know, and no fun I'm a student. So when I say, you're supposed to idolize me still. Cause you can't come for me. Cause I don't even know you. Me don't know you idolize me. You know say you're an idiot. I idolize the baby girl is supposed to. You go dress up Shantae, little boy. Go beat them. Go dress up your little boy, your little girl, beat them. Put them in a brand and beat me. Take them out of Shein and put them in a Michael Kors and Louis Vuitton and beat up my blow. Make them wear Louis V for a week straight and it don't come from Chinglang, Panglang, Punglang play. Make them do it and beat me. You're Tabo brand. Hey, remember you say you have millions in a Rosealee. Remember saying that you and St. Lisa are rich. Show me how rich you be. Make your picture them look like Paris Hilton or Kim Kardashian picture them. Eh? Do that and beat me. Shame me with your kids. Rosealee, this is just a valid and this is a righteous challenge. Shame me with your kids. Since you cuss me about brand and everybody knows I'm in a brand ambassador. Show your kids them in a brand. Show Shantae like how she adore, she understand. If I wouldn't scrape off the Louis, make everybody see it and powder it yourself. Do that and beat me, Rosie, because you're not talking now. Do it and beat me, my baby. What you saying? Of course, yeah. Me a reason with them. Do it and beat me. Yeah, show me emotion, sha-la-la-la-la. Tweet and beat me. Me a beat you, Rosie.